Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Toyota Prius Hybrid maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, the middle one for enter, and we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Every time you see this screen, go ahead and press back. And now press forward or backward to go find your page, which is here in setting. Now you can scroll down until you find vehicle setting. Enter on that. Enter on maintenance system. Scroll down to oil maintenance. Enter on that. Scroll up to yes. Enter on that. And the reset has complete, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.